Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is cut the tags and the string off of this Dollar Tree coffin wood piece. So I got this at Dollar Tree. It was $1.25, and I am using unicorn spit wood stain in the color black to stain my coffin. Right now, Dollar Tree has a lot of really cute decorations available, and this is one that I picked up. It's relatively inexpensive, and they're really nice because you can make them whatever color you want and decorate them however you want. So I'm just going to finish up with this black paint. Now I'm going to use a small paintbrush that I got as part of a bundle, I think, at Michael's. I will have all my materials listed down below, but I'm taking this and basically just making sure that I'm covering up all the different sides where it can be seen. I don't want any of the wood color coming through. I want this to be total pitch black. So I'm just going in the little cracks and on the sides with my paintbrush and just fixing that up nicely. So now I'm taking some metallic silver acrylic paint, and I am just kind of going around. I just basically rinsed off the paintbrush that I just used to do the cracks and sides with the black, and I just rinsed it off and reused the brush and added silver in all the little cracks and crevices. This does take a little while to do, so I'm gonna speed it up real quick and you can see how I did it. Just keep in mind, you can be sure to put this on kind of messy. It's okay to put it on messy. This doesn't have to be perfect. I think it looks better if it's a little messy. So to decorate this coffin, I decided to take a piece of scrap paper, some Halloween scrap paper that I got at Michael's sometime within the last 2 years. And I just cut a piece that I really liked, which is the piece that says trick or treat, and there's a little bat. And I am just trimming it up and trying to get it as straight as I can, which I am not good at getting things straight, but I did the best that I could, and I knew that I was going to be lining it with ribbon, so I didn't worry about it being too perfect. So now I'm taking my Titebond 3 Ultimate wood glue that I use for pretty much everything because it dries clear, and I just really like wood glue. I like the hold. It's a good glue. So I am trying to put on, a kind of medium layer to the back of that and place it flat on my coffin, deciding where I want it to go. Now that that's glued on, I'm going to put some, decoration around it, kind of like I talked about, so that it doesn't have to be perfect. And that's what I'm doing with the ribbon. I'm just kind of getting a rough measurement of how much ribbon that I will need to make a square around my piece of scrapbooking paper. And now I'm going to take my wonderful Titebond wood glue again and place it all around the scrapbooking paper, and that way I'm holding the ribbon in place. Now I'm going to take these wonderful little cupcake toothpicks from Dollar Tree, which, remember, I will have the materials listed in the description. And basically, if you pull them off, they don't break, they'll kind of just slip out if you just kind of wiggle them around, as opposed to having to cut the stick off. So that's what I did. I just kind of wiggled those off the top of the cupcake sticks, and I'm going to use the 4 pumpkins because I feel like it needs some color and contrast. So I'm adding those, and yes, those are the cupcake toothpicks. They have them at Dollar General. They have some really cute stuff there right now for their Halloween and their fall. And right now what I'm doing is I'm taking some more of my ribbon, which I also purchased at Dollar Tree, Crafter Square, and I am making a bow out of it so that I can attach it to the top of the coffin as part of the decor of the coffin. You could probably stop there if you wanted to. This step is optional, but I added some moss to the bottom of my coffin. I felt like it needed a little something extra, so I took a little bit of moss, and then of course taking my Titebond wood glue again, I just added a medium layer to it, and I attached the moss just to kind of add to the creepy look of the coffin. I'm also going to add this little spider ring spider to the moss. I think it's cute and it just, makes it a little spookier. Now I am going to use black twine and loop it through the top of that. Remember we took the brown twine off, and I just think that, I don't know, I like black twine better, especially for Halloween. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you have a wonderful day, week, weekend, whatever.